First log in to your desired Ubuntu OS. Let's open Terminal and check the FFmpeg version. As you can see, it's not installed, so let's install FFmpeg. Type the following command and hit the Enter key. Give your sudo password and wait for install process. Let's verify. As you can see, it's installed successfully. To know all command functions, use help parameter.
All links and useful information is now available in our blogs. I hope it can help you today. If you have any issues, please let me know in the comments section. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for latest updates.